When it comes to smart investing, Robert Kiyosaki is always mentioned. Robert Kiyosaki has shared a piece of investment advice that can tenfold your money. Do you want to make money from this advice? Do you want to know where to invest your money right now? Stay tuned as I walk you through Robert Kiyosaki's investment idea that can 10x your money, because this is an opportunity of a lifetime. The real estate market has been declining since 2022, and while home sales have been declining, home prices have remained chiefly up. Home prices increased by more than 10% in 2022, making it difficult for people to buy homes, and the real estate market continued to record losses after losses. Robert Kiyosaki, as a good investor, advises that now is not the best time to invest in the real estate market because the market is continuing to fall, and investing in the real estate market currently is riskier than ever. The real estate market began to fall when the Federal Reserve began aggressively raising interest rates in order to reduce the high inflation caused by excessive spending during the COVID-19 pandemic. Inflation was high, causing building material prices to rise. This affected the real estate market, as everything needed to increase in order for developers and investors to avoid significant losses. High real interest rates also resulted in high mortgage interest rates, causing people to be unable to obtain loans to purchase homes. This is how Don Peoples, CEO of Peoples Corporation, explains it.
The housing market is pretty straightforward. As interest rates increase, fewer people can afford to buy. So many people are priced out of buying, or they can't buy what they thought they were able to buy or what they wanted.
The result is a crash in the real estate market. Robert believes that the market will not recover soon, and that investing in real estate now is not a good idea because inflation remains high. Does that mean the stock market is the best place to go now? Robert Kiyosaki's answer to this will shock you. Let's find out. In 2021, the stock market, particularly tech stocks, performed exceptionally well. Tesla, Amazon, and almost every other stock were good because interest rates were low. Many people could borrow money and invest because the amount they needed to pay on their loans was low, and bond yields were unappealing. In 2022, the stock market began to fall as the Federal Reserve stated that inflation was high and needed to be controlled. Bond yields became more appealing, and many investors started selling their stock portfolio. Considering how low the stock market has fallen as a result of many investors, both institutional and individual, becoming risk-averse and investing in bonds and other securities, Robert Kiyosaki said that investing in the stock market now is not advisable. Just because stocks are down now does not mean they are cheap, because the entire stock market is in a bear market and can continue to fall. What then does Robert think is best to invest in now? Bonds? Savings account? Stay tuned, as you will be amazed to find out that his pick can 10x your money in a short period of time. Investing in the financial market requires good expert guidance and advice, which is sometimes expensive. To get this guidance for free, kindly subscribe to the channel so you catch all our educational videos that will improve your investing knowledge. People are taught to save money rather than invest it in something that may yield a return. Even though the stock and real estate markets are down, Robert believes holding cash now is a waste of time. This is because central banks can print money anytime, causing money to lose value over time. In almost every interview, in his teachings, and even on Twitter, Robert Kiyosaki has been vocal about how trash cash is. Robert demonstrated that keeping cash in an environment where inflation almost always rises is a waste of time. Over time, the same $10,000 cannot buy the same things it once could, which means that keeping cash is a worse investment than investing in a dying stock market. This is what Robert tweeted about money. Happy birthday, fake US dollar. 50 years ago today, August 15, 1971, Nixon took dollar off the gold standard. US dollar became fake money, ripping off workers, and savers became losers. 50 years ago today is why I do not save dollars. Don't invest in stocks now, don't keep the cash. Soon in the video, you will find out that Robert's best investment choice now is something that cannot be printed, so stay tuned. Historically, in times of economic uncertainty, when stocks fall and recessions occur, precious metals come to the rescue. Robert Kiyosaki sees these times as those in which inflation is excessively high, stocks and real estate markets are falling, and geopolitical tensions are high. Robert believes the best thing anyone can do now is investing in silver. According to Robert, silver, like gold, will always be in demand, and because silver is less expensive than gold, anyone can buy some. When everything is falling apart, when countries are defaulting on their debt, and when there is war or a pandemic, many countries buy more gold and silver to keep as a safe haven because these precious metals have historically acted as a safer investment. Silver can be changed into pieces of jewelry and can be used as a medium of exchange too. This is what Robert tweeted about silver World War III. Just bought 2,500 US silver eagles in 5 green boxes. Why silver? Gold already moved up. Bitcoin still too high. Silver 50% below all-time high. Silver an industrial metal as well as dollar. I buy silver because it is liquid and can be spent W/O government tracking. If you want to invest but have little capital, don't worry. Not only Robert Kiyosaki has the best investment idea, you can learn how to invest just $100 and multiply your money. To know how, check out the video on what a $100 investment in Solana can make you.